Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is July 19th. Yeah, July the 19th, the day after the housewarming. Everything was nice. Everything turned out okay. I had fun. I enjoyed myself. And it was not really much to clean up. I think I'll show you guys the clip of like the 4 dishes that were served. And then my daughter bought chicken. She didn't bring the queso stuff. Ooh. Sorry, that she said she was going to bring. But all in all, it was good. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to turn this camera around. And y'all have this on. But, well, this is from yesterday, but it's so hot. I had shorts up under here. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys a picture of housewarming gift that I thought was really beautiful and that I can really use. And some other little pieces or whatever. And that is the end of that. So, guys, have a happy, blessed, loving Sunday. Menu. Here's Asian Eddie's chicken. Salad. Hold on, y'all. Let me see.
Pasta. Rigatoni.
Vegetable pasta, mango, pineapple, bread. Really nice bread with pesto.
What's that?
Somebody bought something here. Here is a plate. Here is some other. Yeah. And that we hung right here. That says yay. It's like a gold sign, really pretty. And then I'll show you guys the gift. Y'all, I think this is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, my girlfriend gifted this for the home. And let me see if I can make this brighter. But it's actually a glass mirrored Lord's Prayer, Our Father which art in heaven, has where you can put the candles, and she also gifted the candles to go with it. So it's so funny because my brother was asking me where I was going to put something, and then I'll probably just show y'all in a video where I'm going to put this. So this is the one and only house gift, which was cool because everybody knows, you know, we don't want a lot of stuff here. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye. Just going to show you a little bit of this area. So this is where I think I had mentioned to you guys I was going to hang shelves here, but I did not. I can't show you much of this room. This is in the bonus room, and you guys are going to get a video of that pretty soon. But this is the actual gift that a close friend of mine gifted me for my home, and I absolutely love it. As you guys see, it is the Father's Prayer. You guys should know that already. If you don't, I'm just going to hold it right here so you can see it, and maybe you might want to read it for yourself, right? So it actually holds 3 candles, a tier like that, as you see, one here, one in the middle, and then one on the bottom. So that is what you see here. And just imagine how that looks at night. It's very, very illuminating. Very, very peaceful. And this was a well thought out gift, guys. And I hope you all are loving that color on the wall, because we're going to get into that in another video. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of my gift, and my one and only gift, which I really appreciate because I don't need anything here. I just don't need anything here. So this is actually what I was sharing with you, that my brother had mentioned an area of something to put here, and I was telling him, like I told you guys, I wanted to put something here, but this gift I feel was supposed to go here, because when I tried to bring them shelves here, they did not work here, even though they end up being somewhere else, and you guys are going to see that in a upcoming. I got like 5 videos to show you guys, so I just want y'all to bear with me after this video, because I wanted to show you guys bits of the food or whatever for the housewarming, that you guys have the kitchen tour coming. In the kitchen tour, you are going to see, I did, however, come up with my own plan. Even though I asked y'all what should I do at that table, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, why did you ask? But like I said, y'all already knew I was gonna do what I wanted to do anyway. But yeah, this is where I wanted to put this gift here. So guys, this is what I do. In this area, sometimes I might plug in my diffuser there to have I just wanted an area where I can just come, get on my knees, and just cry out to the Father, pray, meditate, or what have you. So that's what I did. I end up bringing this here, and I think in the near future, I probably will put something here. It probably will say family or something in this line here. So that's what I wanted to do. And then what I also do, I grab this pillow and I place it right here, and I put my knees on it like so, and I just sit here and I kneel down and I pray. So this is my area that I go to. I absolutely love this, and I'm just going to show you, well, I can't put it in the picture because I'm going to be showing you too much, but this is just where I come, and that is down below of the room that I come to have my daily devotional, just to have some alone time with Father and cast all my cares to Him, and because He's the one who helps me and leads me and guides me in the way that I should live my life and the way that I should go. So I wanted to bring you guys along to show you that this is the gift and where I put it, where I chose to put it in the home. And I'm very grateful for the gift, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, what do you think, where I decided to put it, and how we might think we want to do something, but when God says no, it is absolutely no. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love always, and always remember, love yourself so that you will be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.